Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to play Sims 4 in Japanese. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually look what he needs to do before he goes to work. Okay, he has done everything. Let's practice punching the bag. Boxa size. Okay, my character is a little bit hungry. Onaka suita, so I'm going to make him cook something, which is ryori suru. And I'm going to choose grilled cheese. I'm gonna choose the grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna make the party size, which consists of 8 sandwiches, and I'm gonna let him cook. So currently he's ryori shiteru, which is cooking. Oh fuck. Fuck. He cut himself on fire. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Now he has to clean everything up.
Napsa limita. Ugh.
I'll have to throw everything away. Not a great start for the day, I'm afraid. Shippai shichatta. I failed. Looks like I'll have to buy a new one for 400 simoleons. I'm going to shawa o abiru. I'm going to take a shower. However, I'm going to take a different kind of shower in order to get to the great mood. Alright. He's still a little bit tense. He'll be tense for like 23 hours. Let's go again. Okay, I'm gonna help you with this. I'm gonna make you drink the potion. I normally don't give this potion to anyone. Mudaratu sorba, which is moodlet solver. Bam. Nomu, which is to drink. Okay, he's now energized. He's now genki, which can also mean I'm fine. I'm going to actually koko ni idou suru, move here. I'm actually going to make you move here. And now he's off to work. He's off to shigoto. Let me see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna issho kemmei hataraku, which is translated as work hard. While you're working hard, I'm going to show everybody what do you have in your house. So first let's go to the living room. So the first thing you have is a terebi. This is terebi, which is a television. Then there is sofa, which is a sofa in Japanese. This is saido table. This is a side table where you put stuff on, TV or CD player. There he has a raito, which is light. Of course his home has to have windows, which is mado, as well as doors, which is doa, or you can say tobira for doors. The next one will be the kitchen combined with the dining room. The living room is kyoshitsu in Japanese, which is actually one less sound from kyoshitsu, which is a classroom. There is a kitchen, which is daidokoro in Japanese. There is reizouko, which is a refrigerator. Counter, which is a counter where you put stuff when you're cooking or you get the stuff from it. This is oven, which is an oven. This one is nagashidai. This is sink. This one would be fire alarm. Even I'm learning some new stuff. So let's go to the toilet. Let's go to the bathroom. Well, this is toilet. This would be toilet. This is another nagashidai. Then he has kamado, which is a Japanese word for mirror. Here's a shower, which is a shower. let's go to his training room. There is the punching bag, which just punching bag. Actually, okay, I've double checked it because I didn't know that this thing is actually sandbag, which is the sandbag, because this thing is filled with the sand. This is a treadmill. I'm going to learn this word as well. You can say torettomiru for the treadmill. Finally, we're going into his bedroom, actually his own room, which is heya in Japanese. So here is beddo, which belongs to him, to our Mr. Honda-san. The dresser would be doressa in Japanese. He has computer, which is a computer, standing on the tsukue, which is a desk, as well as isu, which is a chair. He also has raito in his room as well. Oh, he also has the hondana. He has the hondana, which is the bookshelf. Now let's just wait our Kenichi to go back home. And he's back. Now let's see what else I can do with him. Okay, I'm gonna make him channeru o miru, which is watch the channel. I'm gonna terebi o miru, which is to watch the TV.
Marco!
Okay, the guy is now watching the TV and has some fun. I'm gonna make him do toreiningu now, which is a training. Okay, this is jishin ga aru. He has a confidence. Jishin in Japanese is the word for confidence. Aru is the verb to exist for non-living things and ideas. Okay, while he's training, I'm gonna stop this video. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.